Oh, it's right in front of me.
Get it up.
Give me Viagra and I might.
Come on, get it up.
It's heading back towards you.
All right. Come on, in here.
You guys over.
Stuck right there. I see him.
Yeah, it's right here in front of me.
Tony, get the bird. Come on.
Come on, in here. There it is. There it is. Hold up. Guys see it?
Yeah, it's way the hell over there.
Go get the bird, Tony. Come on.
Get in there, Mark. Get you on YouTube.
Stay right there. Guys see where it went?
Yeah, it went right into there. Go ahead, go get it, Mark. I'm behind you with the camera. There it goes. Still running.
Right.
Get it, Mark. Get ready. It's going to go up.
Tony, get the bird.
Doc, keep an eye on that end there.
That thing is running.
I know.
No, it's running right to you, John.
Looks like it's got a bad wing. No. Over here. Oh, it's right in front of me, like 10 feet.
It's right there. I can see it. It's headed towards you, Louie.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, hold on. I'm going to go in and I can see it right here. I'm going to see if I can't kick it up. Get ready, guys. It's running to you, Mark, right there. There it goes.
That was an off-balance shot.
I could have taken it, but you were right there.
I know.
What-
Off-balance